All right, Junior. Good morning. Sorry, good evening. Okay, so you can see my screen now. This is Kali Linus. Let me go back. Let me go back. Now, I've been able to clear off that one we did. So now the internet is working. We can install that. I've installed that stuff for us. So you open. First of all, you go to this place. Then you open the web browser. No, we need to what we want to achieve now is this. We want to reinstall this guy and follow the normal procedure. So I copied the link and pasted it. You can see that. You can discuss with Kelly. Tell him. So he will tell you what to do. So now I copied the link. The download is here. Let me see if I can still see the download. But no problem, even if it's not here on this particular one. So I copied it and then paste it. Now look at it. I want to download it. You see it has downloaded. Now that is what we wanted to do that time. It has been downloaded. Yes. So if you want to open it and see the file, you can open it and see the file. Now what we'll just have to do now, since we have downloaded it, we will navigate to this. See what we're going to do. You copy this from the terminal where you are. You will see what we're going to do now. Sorry. You can go with this method. Can go with this method. Let's close this and go back to our Kali Linux. Let's close this. This is our Kali. Now let's paste that link. That sorry, I'm not supposed to do this. Yep. Let me use this. Copy and paste. Now I'm entering into the download. You can see that I've entered into the download, and let's check if that stuff we installed is there. Now you can see it. Look at it. See the file here. The file is here. It has been installed directly, so we don't have any issue anymore. All right. So once we are here in this download, what we just have to do next is to run a check mode. That is to say, we want to change the mode of this file we have installed, and that we have downloaded it. So we want to check the mode. You will see how the color will change. Okay. Now let's paste this. All right. Sorry. Click enter. It says check mode cannot access starts with, wait, okay, sorry. It's not supposed to be with let me change it. That thing shouldn't be underscore. Yeah, it should be this. It will work. You can see that it worked. If you ls now and check, see the color has changed to this. Now the next thing is to install everything in that particular file. So we're going to run this. I'm going to run this, and you will see what will happen. This was what I did yesterday and was able to set up your lab. So let's proceed and do that right away. All right, so let's paste. Now let's run. Oh, sorry. See, I'm still they gave us underscore, so that it shouldn't be underscore. So let's not make that mistake. It should be this thing dash like this. So now it's unpacking. Everything you need for this lab is being unpacked. You can see there is no error. It's working. We are installing all the script we need. We are downloading them, and let's be hopeful that there won't be any error. This is the right way to do this project. Perfect. Perfect. Kali has accepted that. It is rebooting now. It's rebooting, and it will not give you the lab. Just watch. We're going to log in again. It will not give you that practical test ALS practical lab. Okay. All right. So let's see. Now I'm going to log in again. I'm going to log in again and check if it is successful. That is the target. Let's be hopeful. We are logging in. Kali is coming up. Kali is coming up. Kali is coming up. Promise, what's the issue? They are closed. Ask Kelly now. Check what you can arrange. It's inside bedroom. He's betting. You can talk with him now. Okay, so now let me log in. Wait, before let him finish. What happened? All right, so now Kale Martinez, let's log in. All right, now let's see if we were successful. I'm logging in. Let's see if it will give us the testing lab. Let's be hopeful. Let's be hopeful. Hmm. All right. Now let's open the terminal and check. Let's open our terminal. Perfect. This is absolute perfect work. So we have gotten the shell for your lab. But let's test and see if we are in line. It says log bag, we have done this. Then open the pro terminal and what and run this. Let's see. Let's run this and check if it is correct. Practical 0. I'm just surprised that up till now, these are the things that you're supposed to have done before now. Okay, so let's run it. Let's type it. Don't worry. Practical 0. Let's see if it is successful. Okay, let's see. Let's see. This is your practical 0. So they said while it's waiting, let's check back. They said something. They said at the end, if you see success, your environment has been configured correctly and you are ready to begin the lab. That is awesome. Let's go back and check. Let's go back and check. Wow, 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 wow. Your environment is being set up. Correct. Perfect. You can see success. Your lab environment is working. That is absolute. That was what we wanted to do that day at Chicken Republic. You see, so we are good to go on this lab. That is it. That is it for this. Okay, on a quick one, let's go to the injection testing. I don't know if there is a lab before that. Okay, there is Terminator practical here. I don't know if it's something we can check up. Let me see. It's something we can check up. Oh, you see, that is your practical 1. Do you see that? This is practical 1. So now look at it. To begin the ALS Terminator, open your Kale terminal and type practical 1. So let's go back. So we have done practical 0 and we are doing practical 1. So this is 15 minutes that it will take us to do this. So this is practical 1. Let's type practical 1. Oh, perfect. Perfect. It's pulling practical 1 for you. Let's see. You can see that starting practical 1 Terminator. Now you see these are the things you're supposed to have done before now. So it's pulling all the things for Terminal 1 and for Terminator 1. So let's see briefly what is there. Now connect to the environment using this. They give us a code to connect to the environment that we need to connect. So let's see. That is perfect. Now let's see if it has connected successfully. Okay, it's still connecting us. It's still pulling all the required Docker image. Docker is like a container, yeah, where you can run an application. You can run a whole application inside a container, just like we have this thing. Like let's say you build an application, you can run it with render. You can run it with different platform, cloud-based platform to be able to use it over the internet. Okay, battery is how many percent? 13%. All right, so let's just set up this lab. Let's just set it up. This is your practical 2. This is your practical 1. While that is happening, promise going to discuss with let's see if it's so when prompted for a password, you enter this. Follow the instruction at each level to progress toward level 4 and capture the final flag. Upon completion, you can exit the remote machine by typing this to kill the connection immediately, or type exit until you see your shell return to training shell. Confirm your training shell by running this. Are you seeing it? So you're not submitting anything here. All command required are taught in the session. Fine. These are just for troubleshooting in case you encounter any issue. Let's just quickly do this and see if we can finish short before the battery runs out, and I don't want to spend more than 15 minutes. All right, it's downloading everything we need. Oh, this is serious. Oh my goodness. Oh, download complete. Okay, so let's see. It's pulling all the required Docker image we need. This one is 78 MB that is needed. Let's see. I don't want this battery to go down. 11%. Okay, 65, 67. See, battery is getting low. So 71, 72, and there is no light at the moment. 76. So if it tries to download other ones, that means no. It's pulling everything. So I'm gonna end this. I'm going to end this. We're going to do this again. So don't worry. Let me end it. Let's exit so that I can send this one to you. Right? So let me end this. So this practical one, we're going to do it together. Let's not rush it. All right. Thank you.